Welcome back to AhTech. Today, we explore how golden berries are becoming more popular in American markets for their nutrition and unique flavor. By 2026, demand in U.S. health food stores has risen by nearly 35%. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to more modern agriculture stories. Golden berries have a sweet citrus taste and a thin husk that naturally protects the fruit. Farming begins with loose, well-drained soil mixed with compost and organic nutrients to support healthy roots and stable growth. Farmers adjust soil pH between 5.5 and 7.3 to improve nutrient absorption and reduce disease risks. Seedlings are spaced carefully to improve airflow and reduce insect pressure. In California and Florida, many farms use greenhouses and controlled fields to manage temperature and humidity. Instead of focusing on maximum yields, growers prioritize clean and consistent fruit quality. Because the plants have soft stems and spreading branches, farmers use support lines and stakes to keep them upright during heavy fruit production. Meanwhile, branches are tied carefully to prevent breakage as the fruit grows heavier. This system improves airflow and reduces moisture-related diseases. Drip irrigation also maintains steady soil moisture while reducing water waste. Farmers balance fertilization carefully to support plant growth and fruit quality. Excess shoots are pruned regularly to direct more energy into fruit production. Pest control combines crop monitoring and targeted treatments to support healthier farming practices. Through these modern systems, farmers maintain stable harvests and high-quality fruit. After several weeks, small flowers develop into golden berries protected inside lightweight papery husks. As the fruit matures, the husk dries and changes color. The natural husk protects the fruit from insects, moisture, and environmental damage. Golden berries can continue ripening after harvest, giving farmers more flexibility during picking. Because the fruit ripens gradually, harvesting takes place in multiple stages to maintain quality. Farmers inspect the fields daily to find berries ready for harvest. Because golden berries ripen gradually, harvesting is done in several rounds to maintain stable quality. Workers check the fruit's color, firmness, and husk before carefully picking each berry by hand. Next, workers use small scissors or hand knives to harvest each berry carefully without harming nearby fruit. The thin husk remains intact to help protect the berries from insects and surface damage. Each berry is then placed gently into shallow trays to reduce bruising during transport. Since the fruit does not ripen evenly, harvesting continues in multiple stages throughout the season. On some farms, naturally fallen berries are also collected for processing while still protected by their husks. This slower harvesting method focuses more on freshness and quality than speed alone. After harvest, golden berries are transported to processing facilities for inspection and sorting. Workers separate the fruit by size, color, firmness, and quality. Some berries keep their natural husks to extend shelf life, while others are cleaned and packed for fresh market sales. Lower-grade berries are often processed into jams, juices, dried snacks, and specialty products. All fruit is packed in protective containers designed to reduce transport damage. Each package includes details such as farm origin, harvest date, and packing information required by many American retailers. Today, golden berries are sold mainly through organic stores, specialty markets, and high-end supermarkets across the United States. Demand continues growing because of the fruit's vitamins, antioxidants, and tropical flavor. This premium market allows farmers to earn higher prices compared to many traditional berries. Golden berry farming requires skilled workers and careful crop management throughout the season. Workers handle delicate harvesting and sorting tasks, while technical teams manage irrigation systems, plant health, and post-harvest operations. Together, these efforts help maintain stable quality for premium markets. Although golden berries are small, their production system is highly advanced. From planting and harvesting to processing and packaging, every step adds value to the final product. The next time you see golden berries in a store, remember the modern farming systems behind them. Join us as we explore how coconuts are grown, harvested, and processed in Thailand. Known for its rich agriculture, Thailand produces many tropical crops, but coconuts remain one of the country's most important agricultural products. By 2023, Thailand was producing millions of tons of coconuts each year, supporting both the economy and local farming communities. Across the country, vast coconut plantations create long stretches of tropical green landscapes. Managing a coconut farm requires careful planning, skilled labor, and years of experience. The process begins with planting coconut seeds selected from healthy trees to improve yield and long-term productivity. Farmers often use sprouted seeds from strong parent trees to maintain crop quality. One important feature of many Thai coconut farms is the canal system, which helps deliver water efficiently throughout the plantation. These canals also allow workers to transport coconuts by boat, reducing time and labor. Coconut palms take several years to mature, but they can continue producing fruit for 60 to 80 years, making them a valuable long-term crop. Because coconut palms flower continuously, harvesting can take place throughout the year. This steady production helps farmers maintain stable income and reduces the risks of seasonal farming. Harvesting requires careful timing and experience. Using long poles, workers gently remove ripe coconut bunches from the trees, allowing them to fall into the canals below. This method helps reduce damage and makes collection easier across large plantations. Once collected, the coconuts are tied together into floating bundles and transported through the canals. After harvest, the coconuts move to processing facilities for peeling, sorting, and packaging. Today, many modern coconut farms in Thailand use machinery to reduce manual labor and improve efficiency. Specialized peeling machines help speed up processing while lowering labor costs and maintaining product quality. After peeling, the coconuts are sorted by size and quality before being packaged for local and international markets. While many coconuts are consumed in Thailand, large volumes are also exported to countries such as the United States, India, and parts of Europe. Global demand for Thai coconuts continues to grow because of their quality and Thailand's strong reputation as a reliable supplier. Exporting coconuts requires careful packaging, cold storage, and strict food safety standards to maintain freshness during transport. Thai exporters work closely with shipping companies and regulatory agencies to protect product quality throughout the supply chain. Many coconut farms are family-run businesses where generations work together to maintain their farms and livelihoods. As global demand for coconut products increases, Thailand's coconut industry continues to grow. Farmers and researchers are working to improve crop yields, strengthen pest resistance, and develop new coconut-based products for international markets. Family involvement in every stage, from planting to selling, reflects the cultural importance of coconut farming in Thailand. On many farms, family members of all ages help with daily tasks, creating strong communities, and passing down valuable farming knowledge through generations. This tradition continues to play an important role in Thailand's coconut industry. This journey through Thailand's coconut farms reveals the hard work behind every harvested coconut. From careful tree management to canal transportation systems, Each step is designed to improve efficiency and support sustainable agriculture. Meanwhile, in the tropical regions of Brazil, millions of papayas grow along tall green trunks, forming one of the world's most productive fruit industries. Instead of a short harvest season, papayas are collected year-round through continuous farming systems. As of 2025, Brazil continues to rank among the world's top papaya producers, exporting both fresh and processed fruit worldwide. Maintaining the steady supply depends on careful timing, gentle handling, and efficient transportation. The process begins with planting. Inside specialized nurseries, farmers select seeds from healthy papayas and plant them in nutrient-rich soil. After 5 to 6 weeks, the strongest seedlings are transferred into prepared fields with well-drained soil and organic matter to encourage fast growth. Across the fields, rows are spaced carefully to improve sunlight exposure and airflow. Young plants are usually transplanted during cooler parts of the day to reduce stress. This early care supports uniform growth and better yields. Across the fields, rows are spaced carefully to improve sunlight exposure and airflow. Young plants are usually transplanted during cooler parts of the day to reduce stress. This early care supports uniform growth and better yields. To maintain healthy growth, farmers use drip irrigation systems that provide stable moisture without overwatering. Since papaya roots are sensitive to excess water, proper drainage is essential. Fertilizers are added regularly, while weeds are removed to reduce competition for nutrients. Meanwhile, pest control is managed carefully to protect plant health throughout the season. Farmers inspect the fields regularly, keeping only strong plants in production. Papaya trees usually begin producing fruit within 6 to 9 months after planting. Rather than producing fruit in one cycle, papayas continue growing along the stem throughout the year. As the fruit matures, it increases in size and slowly changes color based on temperature and moisture conditions. Because the fruit ripens gradually, harvesting takes place several times each week to maintain a stable supply. Farmers monitor color and sap levels closely to identify the ideal harvest stage before the papayas become too soft. Because papayas ripen at different times, harvesting continues throughout the year. Workers pick each fruit by hand based on color and latex changes that show proper maturity. Using gentle twisting motions or cutting tools, papayas are removed carefully to avoid damage. Since fruits grow at different heights, workers use ladders or lifting platforms to reach higher clusters safely. Every papaya is handled carefully because small impacts can reduce shelf life. After harvest, the fruit is placed into padded crates or wrapped individually to reduce transport damage. The harvested papayas are transported quickly to processing facilities for washing and sorting. Workers separate the fruit by size, color, and quality. The best papayas are selected for fresh export, while lower-grade fruit is used for processing. From nurseries to year-round harvesting, every stage of papaya production is managed carefully. What seems like a simple tropical fruit is actually the result of modern agriculture, skilled workers, and continuous care working together. Papayas are processed into dried fruit, juice, and frozen products. Drying helps preserve flavor and nutrients, while juice production includes pulp extraction, filtration, and bottling. Brazil exports papayas to many countries, including Europe and North America. Fresh papayas are shipped through cold chain systems to maintain quality. Processed products help extend shelf life and increase market demand. Efficient logistics and quality control help Brazil remain a leading papaya exporter. From nurseries to year-round harvesting, every stage of papaya production is managed carefully. What seems like a simple tropical fruit is actually the result of modern agriculture, skilled workers, and continuous care working together. Meanwhile, across American orchards, modern cherry harvesters move quickly through rows of trees. Powered by 110 horsepower engines, these machines shake trunks with precision while conveyors collect nearly 3,300 pounds of cherries per hour. In many farms, one machine can replace the work of 40 pickers. Meanwhile, in Poland, the Maja harvester helps farmers collect cherries faster with less tree damage. Its vibrating arms operate at 18 Hz, while conveyors move up to 2,000 kilos of fruit per hour into collection bins for processing factories. After harvest, cherries move through advanced sorting lines where lasers inspect color and size. Robotic systems pack thousands of cartons each shift, helping maintain stable quality for global markets. Every step highlights modern agriculture technology built for speed and freshness. In Germany, growers use the Lipco HSA 30 mounted on 90 horsepower tractors to speed up apple harvesting. Hydraulic arms shake the trees while soft catchers protect the apples from bruising. This system helps farmers harvest faster while protecting both fruit and trees. In Poland, the P100 combine harvester simplifies apple collection using vacuum arms and pneumatic cushions. With only 3 workers, the machine can harvest nearly tons of apples each day, while reducing manual labor. At Spain's Aweta processing line, lasers scan up to 30 apples per second for size, sugar levels, and color. Robotic systems then sort and pack the apples for supermarkets across Europe. Across Valencia, Spain, workers harvest oranges carefully by hand to maintain fruit quality. Many pickers collect nearly 80 kilos daily, gently twisting each orange from the stem. A single tree can produce up to 500 fruits, supporting Spain's global citrus industry. During peak harvest periods, powerful machines help farmers work faster across large orchards. Valencia's 120 horsepower harvesters shake trees in about 18 seconds, while canvas catchers protect the falling fruit. This system helps farmers save crops before weather conditions change. At Fruxaresca facilities, advanced scanners inspect up to 25 oranges per second for size and quality. Each shift processes nearly 20 tons before the fruit is packed into export cartons for supermarkets worldwide. Meanwhile, in California's Santa Maria fields, workers spend long hours hand-picking strawberries under the sun. Many families harvest nearly 200 pounds each day, filling baskets that are later loaded onto field trucks for transport. Alongside traditional harvesting, California also uses advanced robotic technology. The Agribot combines AI cameras with 24 robotic arms to harvest up to 8,000 strawberries per hour while reducing bruising and labor demands. At Fruitmaster's facilities in the Netherlands, strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries move through advanced sorting lines. Scanners inspect ripeness and weight, while workers pack nearly 250 clamshell boxes per minute for supermarkets across Europe. Thanks for watching. Which machine impressed you the most today? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to AhTech for more modern agriculture stories.